morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, yesterday we have started our chapter conjunctions. Now today we will see some more types of conjunctions and we will use them in the sentence. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting today's class, first of all, tell you the answers of yesterday's homework. In that I gave you fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions and even I gave you the options. Okay, so now let's see how to fill them. Dash you want to join our team, dash theirs is your decision. Theirs means their team. Okay, so don't think this is wrong word here. Theirs means their team. Okay, so in this you have to choose the option. For this option you have two options, whether you can use only or. Okay, and even second thing you can use whether or. Okay, if you have given two blank, then you have to use whether or. If single blank is given, then you have to use or. Okay, so here whether you want to join our team or theirs, so any one you have to choose. For this we have to use whether or. Which conjunction it is? Pair is given, that's why correlative conjunction. You can choose to buy the red or the green purse, both are of the same price. See now here, in this or is given, again any one purse you have to choose, whether red or green. So for the options, when you have to choose one thing, you have to use or. And this conjunction, which one it is? Fanboys. Which one? That is coordinating. Okay, we are not only tired but also hungry. So in this you can see again pair is given. So in which pair is there? Correlative conjunction. Fine. Next one, I cannot call them for I don't know their phone number. For meaning I told you, what was that? Yes, that was because. I cannot call them because I don't know their phone number. Now fifth one, we bought our new books and our uniform. Definitely here we cannot choose any option like whether you have to bring books or uniform. Definitely we have to bring both of them. That's why we are going to do addition over here. That's why we have used and. So I hope you all have done your homework carefully. Now first of all, recapitulate previous class that we did. What are the conjunctions? Conjunction is a word which connect two words or clauses or sentences or phrases and shows the relation between them. That shows relation also. Okay. They are used to avoid making the text seem like bullet points and to make the text flow. Simply means they are saying in that bullet point means punctuation rarely we use after using them. Okay. Now the types of conjunction that you know very well, we have three types. First one coordinating, second one subordinating, and the third one is correlative conjunction. Okay. Now the coordinating conjunction, what are these? Used to link or join two words or phrases that are equally important and complete in terms of grammar when compared with each other. Simply they are going to use to link or join two words or phrases. Okay, and complete in terms of grammar means after using them you can make all the rules of the grammar, you are going to fulfill it. Okay, and the very important trick, that is fanboys. So F for a and n nor b but o or y yet so and s so. It's not soon at all, not soon, that is so. Okay, fine. Now see, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating, this we are going to do it today. Used to join independent and complete clause with a dependent clause. If you remember, we have done in adverb clause. In the clauses we have done, we have two kinds, main and subordinate clause. Okay, subordinating clauses are going to join with subordinating conjunctions. So here, although, as, before, once, though, until, whether, etc. Why etc? Because so many are there. Okay, we will do it today. Correlative, the main important point you have to keep, they are pairs. They are pairs of conjunction used in sentences to join different words or groups of words in a sentence together. For example, both and, either or, just as, so, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, hardly when. We have done scarcely then. Okay, so these are there. Now today we are going to start with this subordinating conjunction. Fine. Now let's see. Here, as I told you, type of clauses only we have to do it, because this only we have done. Okay, in this only we have covered all. First one, adverb clause of time. Simply, even if you remember, we have done the question word also for the time. The question word is when. The question word is when. See, words when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as, while, as soon as. Simply you can see all are giving the meaning of when. We will inform you when we receive the books. We will inform you when we receive the books. Okay, so we have got the answer of when. That's why adverb clause of time. I called her as soon as I got to know the result. So I called her when, as soon as, जितना जल्दी हो सके. I called her as soon as I got to know the result. Now see students, you must be thinking that how are you going to learn all these kinds. These kinds, adverb of time, place, purpose, condition, manner, and even many are there. You are not, in the exam you are not supposed to ask these kind of questions. Means I will not ask that which kind of adverb it is. As soon as, you will not tell adverb of time. Simply whether it will come in the fill up form or it will come in the identification, whether it is coordinating, subordinating, or correlative. Okay, so like this only. Sub kinds are not supposed to be asked. Simply they are only for the understanding, for the identification. Okay. So time, simple, it is giving the answer of when. Next one, place. Place, question word is where. So it's very much common. Place where. So where or wherever. He bought the shirt from a shop where there was a sale. From where there was a sale. You will find people of Indian origin wherever you go in the world. Means wherever. So you will find the people of Indian origin wherever you go in the world. Okay. So that is called adverb clause of place. For these two words, where, wherever. Okay. Adverb clause of purpose. Purpose, so that, lest. See, she made the travel arrangements early. Why? For this question word we have to put here why. Why also, and even other also. Why? They did not face problems later. Why? So that, जिससे कि they did not face problems later. Don't get wet in the rain lest you catch a cold. Why? Means don't get wet in the rain. बारिश में मत भीगो. Why? Lest you catch a cold. So that you will be safe from cold. Okay. So lest you catch a cold. That is purpose. Okay. So that, or lest. These words are there. Condition. If, unless. Condition. Condition is given if, unless. Unless is your negative word, student. Means when you are using unless, you will not use not. Just see here, because unless itself is a negative word. You can chat with us if you have the time. So condition apply. If you have the time, you can chat with us. Okay. Your assignment will not be graded unless you submit it on time. Means we can even you submit if you are not going to submit it on time. So if you are not going to, so not, we are not using here not. So replacement of this we are using unless. Okay. So your assignment will not be graded unless you submit it on time. Understood? Condition is there, whether submit it on time or you will not get the grade. Fine. So condition is there. Adverb of manner, as if. Simply as if. How? Definitely manner. It's a very common one. The question word we have to use here, how. You should do as you are told. You should do how as you are told. So you should do as, how as you are told. She looked at me as if I were a stranger. As if I were a stranger. If you remember were, why I have used here were? Because was we use for according to tense. Was we use according to tense. Okay. But verb we use when we are going to imagine if I were a stranger. So as if, here first of all we are talking about as if, that is adverb of manner. So I hope you have understood the first one, adverb of manner, adverb of time, then place, then purpose, after that condition, and next one is manner. Okay, so these are the words, simple. They all will not come, simply you have whether it will come in the fill up form, or you have to identify coordinating, correlative or subordinating. So you know very well that what that coordinating, we have a very simple trick, fanboys. For the correlative one, they are in pairs. Okay, so remaining, whatever the remaining is left, they all will come in subordinating. Okay, so no need to be so much worried about it. Now see some more kinds. The next one is adverb clause of comparison. When we are doing comparison, you can see here simple, that is comparison as or then. Okay, Sunil is as tall as Rahman. So comparison is there in the why who is taller than. So as tall as Rahman. So Sunil is as tall. Whenever we are doing comparison here, between whom? Between Sunil and Rahman. Okay, Mary is more hardworking than Ritu. So here then we have to see, then is your word, that is conjunction. So means Mary is more hardworking than Ritu. So comparison between Mary and Ritu. Okay. Now adverb clause of concession or contrast. Contrast means two things you are doing opposite. Though, although, even if. Okay. Earlier we did if. Okay. That is even if. When contrast is there. Contrast means opposition. Two work you are doing but both are opposite. You will not find a more generous person than Manish. Here first of all one more you can see here than is given. So that is even adverb of comparison given. Even if you search the whole world. So means even if that you search the whole world, you will not find a more generous person like Manish. Okay. Like first of all, so here it is saying that you search the whole world, you will not get. But on the other hand, it is saying that we have one option, that is Manish. So those are two opposite. These are the opposition over here. Although it was late, I stayed up to finish my homework. So although it was late, it was late कि काफ़ी late हो गया था time. I stayed up to finish my homework. Still I finished my homework. So that is again contrast is there. Find adverb clause of cause or reason. Same as in this also. Why answer, cause, reason, why we get the answer. We reach home late. Why? Because of traffic. So we reach home late. Why? Because of traffic. Since he is unwell, he cannot meet you now. So now the cause is given, that since he is unwell, he cannot meet you now. So that was reason for this why. And since he is unwell, so he cannot meet you now. Now last one, adverb clause of result or consequences. So that, such that. Okay. It rained so heavily that we had to postpone our trip. Okay. So heavily that we have to postpone our trip. Again, it rained so heavily means very much, so heavily that why? Because of this we had to postpone our trip. So that was the result. Okay. It was such a hot day. So, such a hot day. After this, you can see the result of the hot day is that we could not step out of the house. Means we did not go out the house. Okay. So, of the hot day, the result of the hot day is that we could not step out of the house. So, I hope you have understood. The next one we have done adverb clause of comparison, then concession or contrast, then cause or reason, the last one result or consequences. Again I am telling you, they all will not come in your exam. Simply you have to identify whether in the fill up form, or you have to identify correlative, coordinating or subordinating one. Fine. Now let's do some exercise. This is a classwork. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunction. Now I have given the solution. We are going to discuss here the kind. Okay. First one, if you can meet me on Tuesday, I will give you the book. If, just see, what is this if? That is condition. So that will come in subordinating one. Okay, so this is subordinating conjunction. He got very good grades, yet he is unhappy. Yet means फिर भी. He got very good grades. What happened? We all will be happy. Yet, but here contrast is given. He got very good grades, yet फिर भी he is unhappy. So again this is our subordinating one. Okay. Why don't you read a book while waiting for your friends to arrive? So why don't you read a book when? While waiting for your friends to arrive. So again this one are subordinating conjunction. I can wait till you finish. I can wait till means jab tak. So I can wait till you finish. So here again this is your subordinating one. Okay. He will forgive you. Why? Because he is a kind man. So why? Reason is given here. That's why again subordinating one. Do not wait till the last moment to buy the train tickets. So do not wait till when? Till the last moment. Till we use for the sense of time. Okay, fine. So even until also we use for the sense of time, but that is the negative word. Unless also negative word, but this tell the condition or situation. Okay, so till time, that's why again when answer, that's why subordinating one. Eat your carrots and peas, else you will not get the ice cream. So see, here option is given. As I told you, for that option even we could put or also. Okay, but here we cannot put or, just because here condition is given that first of all eat your carrot and peas, then you will get the ice cream. So condition is there, that's why else we have used. So condition that came again in subordinating conjunction. She has not spoken to me since she left the colony. So when? From the last time. See, since she left the colony, तब से उसने मुझसे बात नहीं की. So since she left the colony. So again subordinating conjunction. The lights went off as soon as the thunder struck. As soon as, जितनी जल्दी. The lights went off as soon as the thunder struck. The lights went off. जैसे ही thunder struck हुआ, lights went off. That's why again as soon as subordinating. Okay. Now see student, okay fine, first of all let me complete. You cannot interview the painter for the school magazine unless you meet him in person. So you cannot interview the painter for the school magazine unless negative word we want here, so that's why we have used here unless you meet him in person. In person means personally. Okay, so unless you meet him in person, जब तक आप उससे पर्सनली नहीं मिलते, you cannot interview the painter for the school magazine. So again this one we have subordinating conjunction. See, we also have one trick for the subordinating one. As I told you, we have done in the clause. If you remember clause, definitely in this complete one sentence, one will be your main clause, one will be your subordinating one. Okay, so definitely, so for this you can even clear up your clauses also. If you can meet me on Tuesday, that is your subordinate clause. Because of this if, we came to know sentence, although it is complete, but meaning wise it is not complete, means it require one more sentence. That's why we have put here, this one is our main clause. Okay, yet he is unhappy, this is your subordinating one. While waiting for your friends to arrive, this is your subordinating one. Okay, till you finish, this is your subordinating one. Main identification, what was that? That is verb, subject and verb you will get. Okay, so everywhere you get, you can see can, meet, is, waiting, finish. Because he is a kind man, is subordinating. Till the last moment to buy the train tickets. Okay, again to buy. Eat your carrots else you will not get the ice cream, will not get. Since she left the colony, left. As soon as the thunder struck, struck is your verb. Okay, unless you meet him in person, so meet is your verb. So by like this you can see here all are what? These are subordinate clause. Okay, main clause subordinate one, remaining is a main clause. and this underlining one, these are your subordinating clause. So, and these are one, highlighted one, these are your subordinating conjunction. So, I hope now I have made myself clear to you all. Now, this is the homework, student. Again, you have to fill in the blank with the most appropriate conjunction. The first one we have, even I have given you the option. You will have to book the tickets now, dash, the seat will go to someone else. Even you have to tell which one it is, subordinating, coordinating or correlative. I have given the mixed one. Okay. Ramesh dash Suresh attended the interview. Dash, she was very upset. She did not cry. Scarcely had I reached home. Dash, it started raining. It is terribly hot today. Dash, it is necessary. Don't go out. I did not realize that I had made a mistake. Dash, you told me. You cannot understand your problems. Dash, you have never lived here. Keep trying. Dash, you succeed. You can come. Dash, you are free. So I hope you can do it. Thank you.